Okay, guys, welcome back. And for those of you who don't know, now you're gonna know that it is April. It is April, and it is my birthday month. And you guys know what bag I carry in April. This bag only gets carried once a year. Most of the time, once a year. Sometimes, if I'm going somewhere like really elegant or something, I will pull it out. But this bag doesn't get carried much. I have my little doggy here, keychain, and I have my little owl keychain here. That's my bag. So we're going to get ready to clean out our coach and get ready to carry our bag of the month, okay? So let's see what we accumulated in this coach. So first of all, I have finally found the Fenty keychain lipstick. I'm going to take that off because I don't know what I want to do with that yet, but I do want to carry that. So, my Fenty keychain lipstick. Okay. So, here's my keys. This is what my keys look like. So, I have the LV pouch. I took the, what they call this, the key clasp off, because the zipper, it won't stay closed. So I may put this in my purse just for change or something, or I may put it in my car, you know, in the middle part just for change or something. But I took that off. This one is just a whole lot better. It snaps closed, and I just don't have any issues with it. I have my little Starbucks cup on here. I'm still looking for another Starbucks cup, y'all. I'm looking for a Starbucks cup. And then I have the pill holder. And then my keys. My car key. My house key. The key to the mailbox, the P.O. box, and the key to my mom's house is basically what I have. So these are my keys, and this is the key ring that I switched to from the Victoria's Secret key ring. Just slides right on my wrist, and I can make it happen with that. So those are my keys. I have my wallet. Don't think I'm going to switch my wallet. I don't have a Louis Vuitton wallet, so I have my cards. I'm going to get my change out of here. I keep my stone. This is my citrine stone for money. I keep it next to my cards to keep money flowing into my wallet. I have a Subway coupon that can come out. I have my God Bless Good Luck $100 bill. I usually anoint this with oil. I need to anoint it again. And then I have $25. So I'm going to put that back in there. And then in the top part of my wristlet, I have a Walmart coupon. These are good luck tip envelopes. So I have to explain that later, but long story short, sometimes if I go somewhere and leave a tip, I will leave it in this envelope. There are 5 red envelopes in here. You can look them up there to bring good luck to other people. And I just feel like if you bring good or do good to other people, good will come to you. And I try to do that in the best way. So sometimes I go somewhere and I will leave the tip and leave it in the envelope. Or leave the envelope with the tip because people may not know that there's money in there. And then in the other side of this is all the other cards, like rewards cards or cards I may not need to grab right away or on a daily basis. My insurance card. I have a liquid lipstick in here in case I run out of the house with just this. Then I have a liquid lipstick. So that is going back in there. Here is my, y'all know about the checkbook. We have the checkbook. I have my, come on thing, lady items, a mirror, a pencil sharpener. I have a pencil sharpener because I carry a lip liner. Eyeglass repair kit. I keep saying I'm going to buy a, this old pill bottle. It has like a Tylenol or 2 in it, Alka-Seltzer chewable in it, like things that I may need in emergency. But I want to get like a cuter or better pill bottle So I keep saying I'm going to go on Amazon and look for a better pill bottle, and that's what I need to do. I have some Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works in here, and they're probably expired. This one is not expired yet. This one expired March 21st, so this can go in the garbage. This is from the Presidente. This can go in the garbage. I have 2 Lotto scratch-offs. Trying to win that 500 for life, y'all. That I did win something on, so I'm going to put that in here. So the next time, I play from like 1 or 2 spots all the time. And I go there like twice a week. So when I go there, I can cash in for some more Lotto tickets. These are so good, y'all. They have these at the Dollar Tree. And I'm not normally a sour person, but trust me when I tell you these are good. These are the twin snakes. One side is sweet and one side is sour. If y'all see these, get them. Get them. I'm not lying to y'all. And I have been snacking on those in church, okay? If I go to church and they take too long or I didn't eat breakfast, I may need to put one in my mouth, but they are so good. This is my little Coach. And in here, I just have a lady wipe, my purse holder, and something to clean my glasses with. I got to see if all of this is going to fit in that, my little Coach wallet. And in here, I have a perfume, a lotion, chapstick, and a lip gloss, a lip liner, and a lip gloss. And this is just my everyday carry, you know, just my everyday carry. I have my pens. I have 2 masks. This one I've worn a lot, so I'm going to put it in the dirty clothes. This one is just my backup mask. I'm not going to put that in the dirty clothes yet. I have my hand sanitizer. This one came from the candle company. When me and my sisters went to make candles, that's where this one came from. So I have this purse organizer in here, which I'm not going to need because I have a purse organizer in there. So I got to figure this out. Tic Tacs. Some more gummies. My pens. I think Leah, if I'm not mistaken, gave me these pens. I think it was the TOL pens. If I'm mistaken, I'm sorry. But I have 2 of these in my purse. And then the other ones are on my desk at work. I'm going to switch out these 2 liquid lipsticks because they were in here the whole month of March. Do, do. Do, do, do. That's what I want. Do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do. Alright. I switched them 2 out. I have some more red envelopes. Some Mentos. I need to see if these Mentos still some good. Oh, this liquid lipstick can come out. Because it's been in there the whole month. Pen. The stylus pens. These 2 pens need to go in here. Because I don't want them leaking in my purse. The stylus pens, I normally don't put in a Ziploc bag. Because I want to grab them. Most of the time I want them at an easy grab. And another lip liner. Where my lip liner at? Put that in there. And so this organizer I'm going to put back in the Coach bag. So let's see what else I have in here. I have my comb, my straws, some extra straws, the checkbook that I finished using. I need to put that in my security place. Garbage. You know what? my tissues. And let me put, I lost my license when I went to Virginia for around Christmas time, if y'all remember. And I had to order another license. And let me put this license in my doggone wallet right now. Because they sent me another license. And now I've been messed around again. Okay. Garbage. Garbage. I have some change down in here. Put this change out. Oh, receipt. Getting the change out. That's it for that bag. There's a zipper part here. In the zipper part, floss. These are my birthday gift cards that I was holding on to. My blinged out pen. This is another stone that I carry in my purse. And these are, oh, well, for the month of March, I did almost get a little cold. Almost got a little cold. So I'm going to put these back in the kitchen. These are Mucinex Sore Throat Soothing and Comfort. I thought it was going to try to get me. Thought it was going to try to get me. And this is another angel crystal I bought from the crystal store. Y'all, hopefully you can see the angel where I carry it in there, so I have an angel with me at all times. I know that there's always one with me at all times, but I like that little crystal. So, let me tell y'all, I enjoyed this bag. Definitely enjoyed that bag. That's a winner. Now, oh shoot, I gotta put this back in there. Do not ask me how all this stuff finna fit in here. Do not. I'm gonna try to figure it out. Oh Lord. You get such a small pocket with this one. See what can fit in a small pocket. I wonder if my lip gloss would get in the way hanging on here. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to stick this wallet in here. See, my thing is, I wonder if I should take this organizer out. Because my thing is, I like for it to be easy for me to get to what I want to get to. That's my thing. I don't think everything's going to go in here. Let me try this with the organizer in. But I may have to take the organizer out. Because I don't want to be that's gonna have to come out. It's gonna have to come out. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the inside of this bag because this is gonna have to come out because I got so many pouches. It's gonna have to come out. I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see the setup. Alright guys, so I did leave 2 pouches out. I put the organizer back in because I just like it with the organizer better. So what I did was I have, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this Fenty keychain yet, but I did put a couple of things, my reusable straw, and a couple of things in this part. So my wallet is right here. My gummies are over there. And my Victoria's Secret coupon is right there. Okay. And so then at arm's reach is, let me show y'all, my pill bottle, which I'm going to find another one on Amazon. my Dentex. It's just always good to have some type of floss with you. I could not leave that out. An extra mask. I have masks all in my car, all at my work desk, but that's an extra mask. My sanitizer. I did not put the pen pouch in. I just grabbed 2 pens facing up. I have 2 stylists. I have my liquid lipsticks where I can grab them if I need them. My Mentos. I took out my pouch that had my lady items in it. I know it's an LV pouch, but it just doesn't fit. Actually, I could put these in my, so they're not so obvious. Hold on one second. Can't do it with y'all in my hand. Okay. So, what I did was I put my lady napkin and my wipe in here, and then I'll just drop that down in the key cut, so that way it's not so obvious. It might even fit. Yeah, it does. Okay, so I just put a sanitary, a liner and a wipe in there just to have it. I do have other stuff at work, in my car, so it wasn't really detrimental for me to keep that one. My checkbook had to stay. And then my gift card envelope that has my gift cards for my birthday, that's going to come out soon. So I just did that because I'm going to be using that. And then my little pink pouch is on that side. So that's basically what I came up with. I couldn't put everything in here because this purse just doesn't allow for it. When I took the pouch, the organizer out and tried to fit everything in there, I just was not happy with it. So I just left it. My straw fell to the bottom, but I do have my straw in there. So if I go somewhere, my reusable straw is down there. As long as I have it with me, I'm okay. So yeah. So that is it. Everything is in the bag. And I'm going to get ready to carry this bag for the month. Beautiful Louis Vuitton. And I can zip it up. I don't normally ever close my bags. My bags usually never close. But I do like that I still have room to zip up the bag. So this is the beauty for this month. I hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next video.